love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. So today is chapter 5 in Panda. So chapter 5 in Panda, we always said Panda is actually used for data analysis, right? So this is data cleansing. Okay, so last time I also took a file, I saved the file and I actually started doing it. So this time what is going to happen is, by data cleansing, you're actually fixing a bad data. Okay, because we don't need bad data in our data set, so we're actually fixing it. So the bad data can be an empty cell, can be a data in the wrong format, can be a wrong data, it can be a duplicate, and we will be learning how to deal with them all in this thing. Okay, so before I actually go here, I'm going to show you, this is the data set that I'm going to be using. This is my duration. I have my date, my max, my pulse, my max pulse, my calorie. Okay, forget this 0 to this, but this is what I have. Okay, so what I can actually do here is, let me actually show you something. I can keep this like this, and I can take it like this. My pulse, max pulse and calorie. Okay, so this is what it is. So this is my data. So what I would actually go do here is, in my Anaconda, in my this thing, in my home, I will actually open up a new text file which will actually open up like this, and I will actually copy paste this, so I can take this out. Okay, so this is my duration, because I don't need this, right? So I don't need the 0. All right, this is, you guys understood. So this is what it is. And what I've actually done is, I have this nan, which is like, null and stuff of that nature. I've actually saved it as data.csv. Now, if I want to actually bring in something, what I would actually do is, we can actually see this command. I'll go to my Jupyter notebooks again, my Panda as PD. So I will say data, and then I'll use a drop NA wherever it is, because I'm going to be using a drop NA, and I'm going to be like, this data frame. Okay, data frame to string. Okay, so let's actually see. It is giving me 2 times, because if I remove this, it is going to give me only once. Okay, so that is why it is like this, but you got the pulse of it. All right, now it is in the string format. Now what I can actually do here is, if something is in place, I can say whether it is true. Just check it out. So wherever, I'm going to get like this, I can actually, if it is in place, I can actually say, if something is actually existing as a null, drop it, and I can say it is a true. So that is what this is actually doing. Now, if I want to replace an empty value, the other way, this is like replacing an empty value. The another way of replacing an empty value is to insert a new value. Okay. You do not have to delete the entire row just because of some empty this thing. The fill NA method allows you to replace empty cells with a value. Okay, so the fill NA. So let's actually see, and this fill NA, I'm asking it to fill it with this thing. Let's actually see what is actually happening. But this is the command. See? So wherever it is actually filling it with, filling the null value with 130. So in the place of true. So that is what it is doing. All right. In a similar manner, I can use mean median mode in order to calculate the mean median mode, and Pandas actually use the same. All right. I trust you have actually enjoyed my lecture. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. We'll be doing a lot more hands-on, and I would really like to thank you for giving me your time, and also thank my wife Jayashree for allowing me to follow my passion. Till we see next time, take care, cheers, and thank you.